I think this video will help you to understand basic procedure how to clean bottom plate of printer. First, search control panel. Now you can see hardware and sound. After, you can see devices and printers. Now you can see already installed Canon Pixma printer. Right click on it, printers properties, select particular printer. Now you can see main menu. Select on maintenance. Now you can see several cleaning options. So you have to search bottom plate cleaning. By pushing on this, you can see the sub menu instruction menu. So you have to carefully read following 4 instructions. After during this, so you have to insert on clean paper on a printer input, just like that it will fold in. So you can execute finally. Now operation is success.